Bananas aren't just a tasty snack, they're packed with benefits for your health. Here's why you should consider adding bananas to your diet. Nutrient-packed, bananas are loaded with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and fiber. These nutrients are important for overall health and well-being. Heart-healthy, potassium in bananas helps regulate blood pressure and may reduce the risk of heart disease. Digestive health, bananas contain dietary fiber, which helps promote irregular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Energy boost, bananas are a great source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick energy boost. Mood enhancement, bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and promotes relaxation. Workout fuel, bananas are an excellent pre- or post-workout snack. They provide carbohydrates for energy and potassium to prevent muscle cramps. Versatile and convenient. Bananas are easy to carry and require no preparation, making them a convenient snack option for people on the go. Overall, bananas are a nutritious and delicious fruit that can be enjoyed in various ways. Whether eaten as a snack, added to smoothies, or used in baking, bananas can contribute to your overall health and well-being.